what's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor?
I don't care. She got me like a roller coaster, turn the bedroom into a fair. Her love is like a drug. I was trying to hit it and quit it, but little mama so dope I messed around and